At number 10, macaroons. 9, cupcake. 8, artisanal ice cream. 7, frozen yogurt. 6, cronuts. 5, cookie butter. 4, ramen. 3, double fried chicken. And 2, donuts. And at number 1, ang nanguna ang pinakasikat na food craze is milk tea. Pinoys are known coffee drinkers, but if they have to drink tea, they usually put calamansi or lemon on it. But milk? Are you serious?
Yan yung hindi ko maintindihan because hindi ko siya gusto.
Hindi tayo originally a tea drinking country, hindi ba? Diba? Pero ang maganda sa mga Pilipino naman ay lagi tayong bukas sa mga foreign influences like this one. Well, ang maganda with milk tea kasi yung nandun yung tapang ng tea, nababalanse naman ang creaminess of the milk at hinahanap-hanap ng mga tao.
And so, we did what the Brits and our Asian neighbors have always been doing. Add milk on our tea.
Matagal na din kasi sikat sa Taiwan yun. Yung milk tea, doon naman talaga nanggaling. From Asian countries din. Hindi nala siya dito. Since siguro pareho din tayo ng panlasa.
Milk tea picked up from where Pearl Tea drinks left off. And soon, the milk tea craze was on.
Ang challenge with milk tea, kaya mahirap din pangalanan lahat ang dami na. Pati ang ilan sa mga fast food, sumusubok na rin mag-introduce ng kanilang mga winter melon tea.
The ones that really come to mind is Happy Lemon, Gongcha, Chatime, Serenity, those 4, and then there's everyone else na below them.
Will the milk tea craze die down, or is it here to stay?
Hindi ko magets. Personally, I'm not a fan. I like the cocoa with rock salt and cheese of Happy Lemon, but that's about it.
Maganda rin yung factor na yung mga milk tea places, ginawa nilang parang coffee shops. So yung mga tao ngayon, ang choice na lang nila to meet up is either milk tea or coffee shop.
Posibleng mabawasan yung popularity ni milk tea. Tingin ko hindi sila tuluyang mawawala. Nandyan lang yan.
It's evident na naging staple na siya. And hanggang next year, next year, parang siyang coffee. Nag-create na siya ng parang siyang coffee here in the Philippines na maraming milk tea shops na magtatagal talaga